Get ready for the most anticipated event of the year, filled with iconic landmarks and breathtaking experiences. Downtown Dubai is a true feast for the eyes. Excite your senses and indulge in the festive atmosphere by joining us to celebrate New Year 2025 by Emaar. Let's make your journey as smooth as possible this New Year's Eve. We will start your journey by guiding you through the gates and zones, how to collect your access badges, parking options, and public viewing areas, and take you through smooth access to Burj Park. We will also cover important do's and don'ts to ensure you have the best experience. Let's walk you through your navigation journey for the New Year's Eve celebration. The downtown area is divided into 5 colored zones for easy navigation for our guests with reservations: light blue, lime, teal, pink, and purple. Each zone will be marked with flags and signage. Our Emaar representatives will be available on site to guide you. There are 7 gates to access downtown Dubai: Gate 1, Gate 2, Gate 3, Gate 4, Gate 5, Gate 6, and Gate 7. Gate 1, located behind Boulevard Heights, is the recommended gate to access the teal zone and pink zone. The closest metro station to Gate 1 is Business Bay Metro Station. Gate 2, located behind Burj Vista, is the recommended gate to access pink zone and purple zone. The closest metro station to Gate 2 is Business Bay Metro Station. Gate 3, located near Emaar Square, is the recommended gate to access pink zone and purple zone. The closest metro station to Gate 3 is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall Metro Station. Gate 4, located near Boulevard Plaza, is the recommended gate to access pink zone and purple zone. The closest metro station to access Gate 4 is Financial Center Metro Station. Gate 5, located adjacent to Fountain Views, is the recommended gate to access the lime zone and light blue zone. Gate 6, in front of Address Downtown in Lime Zone, is dedicated for guests with reservations and coming through Dubai Mall. Gate 7, in Light Blue Zone, is dedicated for families without reservations, offering free access. Please note, only couples and families can enter Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard through all gates. For details about facilities like prayer rooms and bathrooms, please check the event guide for downtown Dubai. The color of your badge indicates where your designated venue is located and helps you navigate through downtown Dubai easily. Residents of downtown Dubai who have registered through the Emaar One app will receive exclusive badges for themselves and their registered guests. Badges do not grant access to vehicles after road closures. Badges are provided to Burj Park ticket holders. Guests with paid reservations at Dubai Mall, Souk Al Bahar, and Time Out Market. Guests with paid reservations at restaurants across Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, and guests that are dining or staying in hotels across downtown Dubai. Entry to these paid venues is only allowed with a valid badge. To avoid any inconveniences and ensure you do not miss your reservations or bookings, please always keep your badge with you and in a safe place throughout the evening, and avoid discarding your badge at any point during the evening until you have departed. We recommend that everyone arrive in downtown Dubai before 4 p.m. to avoid delays caused by road closures.
Public access areas will not require a badge. You can enjoy the show from the designated fireworks viewing areas across downtown Dubai. Please scan the QR code at the gates for easy navigation to these viewing areas. There are several ways to get to downtown Dubai for the New Year celebrations. Public transport options include the metro. Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall Metro Station is expected to close by 5 p.m. However, Business Bay and Financial Center Metro Station will remain operational until after the celebrations once it reaches full capacity. Taxis will operate before the road closures, but will not be able to access downtown Dubai once the closures begin. For a smooth New Year's Eve experience, please note that road closures may change according to RTA and Dubai Police guidelines. Check the RTA website for the latest updates. If you prefer to drive, depart early to arrive in downtown Dubai before road closures to park in one of the 16,000 car parking spaces at Dubai Mall, Zabil, Fountain Views, and Boulevard Lower Underground Parking. Please note that parking is free on the 31st of December, starting from 8 a.m. on 1st of January 2025. Salik charges will apply in Dubai Mall parking. However, Zabil and Fountain Views parking will remain free. For more details on Salik charges at Dubai Mall, visit Dubai Mall website and look for paid parking section. After road closures, badge holders can park at Al Wasl Club parking in Al Wasl or Falcon Heritage and Sports Center parking in Meydan. Shuttle buses will be provided to transfer you to the venue. Please present your access badge to use the service.
At the heart of downtown lies Burj Park, offering unbeatable views of the fireworks, live shows, and family fun. Burj Park is located in Pink Zone. Pink flags will be hanging across the streets. Gate access is from Gate 1, which is located opposite Boulevard Heights. The closest metro station to Gate 1 is Business Bay Metro Station. To experience all of this, you just need to follow your colored zone. Keep an eye on the gates for easy access and arrive at your designated time. After securing your e-ticket online, please visit any of these 3 locations to collect your physical badges. Present your confirmation email to collect your access badge from the 26th through the 30th of December and get ready for a night to remember at Burj Park this New Year's Eve. Arriving before road closures, park at the designated areas. Arriving after road closures, use Al Wasl Club parking in Al Wasl or Falcon Heritage and Sports Center parking in Meydan and take a shuttle bus to downtown. Get off at Dubai Opera bus stop and head towards Burj Park Gate 2 and present your access badge. Celebrate in style at Burj Park with an electrifying atmosphere and an iconic firework display.
Here are some helpful do's and don'ts to ensure you have a pleasant and memorable evening. You can choose any mode of transport to get to downtown Dubai. You can bring your own food, mats, and non-alcoholic drinks. Remember to apply sunscreen and wear a cap, since some viewing areas are in the open. Do not bring any prohibited items such as weapons, illegal substances, alcohol, glass containers, fireworks or explosives, confetti poppers or cannons, pets, and professional recording equipment such as tripods and drones without prior approval.
Please take note of these important contact details.
Please visit Emaar website for additional details. Enjoy the fireworks. Happy New Year, everyone!